Hello, everybody. Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and yes, I'm going to have a pop-up sew day. Pop-up sew day slash pop-up craft day slash pop-up whatever day. Yes, that's a day when we get together on a Saturday and do whatever we want to do. Work on whatever projects we want to work on. Get caught up on some of those items. Maybe some of you started your Christmas sewing or Christmas crafting. Whatever. But that's what the day's for you to work on that in an environment with no drama. We don't talk about politics. We don't talk about world diseases. We don't talk about stuff that gets us all upset. We may talk about, and probably will, about what we're creating, what we're making, and just it's a friendly, fun atmosphere. So, when is it going to be? July 16th. That's this coming Saturday as I make this video. So July the 16th, 2022, starting at 8 a.m. and running till approximately 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I say approximately will end because if I get bored with you before then it'll end sooner. That doesn't usually happen. So that's this Saturday, July the 16th, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But come and go as you please. You don't have to stay for the whole day. You don't have to be right there when it starts. There's lots of room. Whenever you want to come in, you're in. You'll find the Zoom link in the show notes below this video, but you'll also find them in the show notes for the Idiot Quilter this week, and you'll find them also in So Chatty as well. For those of you that are on my mailing list for Pop-Up Sew / Craft Days, you will be getting an invitation, well, probably before you've seen this little video. So I hope you can join us again. Pop-Up Sew / Craft Day / whatever you want to do. This Saturday, July the 16th, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Oh, by the way, this is a special edition. Yes, my birthday is 2 days before this event. So bring your celebratory faces with you and spirit because we're going to have fun. See you then. Bye-bye.